Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some adorable canvases that I found over at GBFKE. I've got 4 kits to show you, so I'm just going to jump in. Some of these are so adorable, so let me just grab one and dive in. I can always find something at the budget companies that I want, so excited to find these 3. So standard toolkit, boat plate of wax, pink pen. And then you can see we've got our round drills. They are in baggies. So for those of you who like to work from baggies, you are all set to go. And here is our cute little puppy. I just love how this one looks. So let me unbend this one a little bit. There we go. All right, so we do have a schematic on both sides, and we do have the DMC codes on the canvas, so that's good. This is a 30 by 30, as you can see. So let's measure. It is, let me flatten this out, 24 and a half, maybe a little over by 24 and a half. Yeah, a couple millimeters over 24 and a half square. But I just thought this little puppy was so cute. It does have a white background, not my favorite, but it does have the eye symbol, which is, if I'm going to have a white background, that is my favorite for those. We've got 23 colors, which is actually nice and sticky. Actually, way more colors than I would have thought for a kit this size. So let's look at our drills. Okay, so you can see we've got, of course, our white for the white background. We've got a kind of a very, very pale gray, a dark kind of chocolate brown, a light blue, a light brown, kind of a caramel color, ooh, a pretty kind of mulberry pink, and a very light tan, a pale gray, kind of a dark green, a very dark brown, kind of a greenish turquoise, a hunter green, a dark gray. Oh, I'm dropping everything here. And then we have kind of a butterscotch brown, an off-white, a very light gray. We've got kind of a brown, a sage green, I have a dark butterscotch, a light brown, a black. That's not very much a black at all for the size of this kit, and then a blue. So lots of fun colors for this kit, and I just thought the dog with the little flowers was so cute. This one is $5.27, and I will stick a link in the description box down below. All right, on to canvas number 2. All right, canvas number 2. This one is a partial, but I thought it was really pretty. Ooh, this canvas is nice and soft and easy to roll up. Always love that. All right, so standard toolkit, boat plate of wax, pink pen. We do get some plastic tweezers because it is a special drill kit. As you can see, lots of rhinestones. Here is this pretty one. I just really love the way this one looked. We've got this kind of white, or this kind of lacy circle here, and then all of these very pretty pink and yellow and red flowers. So we've got 14 colors, only one schematic. It looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different special shapes, and then all of the rest are just the standard rhinestones. So it's nice and sticky. And let's measure this one. So this one is a 30 by 30 as well. So this one is 25 by 25. This particular one is also $5.27. All right, let's look at the drills. All right, let's look at our rhinestones first. So we've got this kind of yellow antique gold. We've got 3 bags of this kind of peachy pink color. It's a really pretty color. I like that one. Then we've got a dark red, a very light pink, a very, very pale pink, and then we've got kind of a smoke gray. We've got 2 different shades of turquoise, a darker one and then a light one. And then we get into our special drills. We've got a large red round, we've got, oh goodness, is that 2 bags? No, 2 different colors. 2 bags of 2 different colors. These are teardrop shaped. Oh, and these are marquee shaped. So same color of blue, but one is teardrops and one is marquee. Super tiny, so I definitely have to get out my pretty placer for those. Then we've got this antique yellow teardrop, some red rounds that are smaller, and then we've got some very small red teardrop shapes. So definitely a kit where I would have to get out my pretty placer to place all of those little tiny ones, but it does add to it and makes it look really pretty when it's done. Again, the links for these will be down below. Let me grab kit number 3. All right, kit number 3 is another cutie. Ooh, this is another one that's super duper soft and easy to roll up. I love it when they're like that. When they're soft like that, it makes it easier for them to release all of the creases and folds they might get in transit. So standard toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen. And then we have our round drills, as you can see here. Look at this adorable little dolphin. White background, again, not my favorite thing, but at least the white background is the eye symbol, so that's nice. This is also a 30 by 30. 20 colors. We do have a schematic on both sides, and we do have our DMC codes on the canvas. So that's always nice. This one is $4.30. So let's measure, because it says 30 by 30. It is 25 by 24 and a half. So not quite square, but pretty close. It is nice and sticky where you need it to be. And I just thought this little guy was super duper cute. All right, let's look at our drills. All right, so for drills, we've got a gray, a purple, kind of a salmon color, a butterscotch, and then we've got kind of a slate blue, a very dark purple, a light purple, a dark blue, another kind of slightly lighter slate blue, a sky blue, a very pale tan. Then we've got 2 shades of green, kind of a turquoise, and then a spring green. We've got another blue, an olive green, and then we've got 2 shades of pink, like a pink, and then a kind of bubblegum pink, another slate blue, a sky blue, and then we've got 4 packages of white because of course the background is all white. But I just again thought this one was super cute. So excited for this one. All right, let me share kit number 4. Be right back. All right, our last kit today, another cutie. This is another one of these. I wish it was wearing glasses so I could give it to my sister because I thought it was super cute. All right, this one is a little bit stiffer than the last 2. Not quite as easy to roll up. Standard toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen. Ooh, this one you can see our drills come in baggies, so if that's how you like to work, you're all set. Look at this adorable little guy. So we have this cute sleeping turtle with his little sleeping cap on. I just love him. Now, there is background, but one of the other reasons I like this one, there's not a ton of white. There is white here in kind of the stripes, but there is a background of sky, so it's not all completely white like the dolphin and the dog were, so that's always a bonus. Cute little turtle. Doesn't look like there's going to be any issues with understanding where the colors go, that kind of thing. Schematic on both sides. We have 19 colors, and we do have our DMC codes on here, so that's good. Always like it when I get my DMC codes so I can save any drills if I want to. Nice and sticky where we need it to be. This is also a 30 by 30, so let me measure. It is 25 by almost 25. And this one is $5.27 as well. Again, I will stick links in the description box down below to all of these so you can check them out for yourself. Let me grab the drills. All right, so we've got our drills here. Of course, as expected, we've got a big bag of white for the background. We've got kind of a spring green, a dark brown, a very dark brown, and then we've got this kind of light blue mauve-y color, which I'm going to assume is the background given how many drills there are. And then we get a dark gray, a very dark gray, a sage green. We do have some 310, but not a huge amount. It's for the little cap and the letters. A light gray, a spring green, a light blue, a dark brown, a very kind of periwinkle blue, a milk chocolate brown, a very pale like dove gray, a sage green, kind of a butterscotch color, and then a slightly darker sage green. So there are all of our colors. Let me get those back in the bag and then I'll be right back for a recap. All right, so we've got some very cute 30 by 30 paintings here. We've got our adorable little turtle. We've got our cute little puppy. We've got the adorable dolphin. And then we've got our little special flower special here. Again, I will put links to all of these in the description box below. Lots of cute things, so make sure you head over and check them all out. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.